Shia LaBeouf. Swimming in the water.
Shia LaBeouf.
Of a medium cup
made it.
is like a large, and the size
This is,
of
you know
like
what you're
a
saying?
large,
It's all going on YouTube.
Yeah.
and the size of large is
Starting now.
Seeking information
Shia LaBeouf.
at the infestation.
Shia LaBeouf.
Get back in the car.
Shia LaBeouf.
Shia LaBeouf.
Say goodbye to my car. It's leaving soon. You did me
A
well.
lot of years.
It's done me well.
Notice you're saying you. I'm saying
And you,
we.
yes, it's true. She used to say, "What's your catchphrase?"
Drive me.
Drive me. Shia LaBeouf, turn around. Hello, hello. We're all going.
We're
I
going
hope we're
hiking.
all in. We're all going hiking.
yeah.
We're going to Last Cave first.
I don't know why I keep sticking out my tongue.
Yeah, and it's video, not camera.
Oh, sorry.
So you don't have to be still.
Yes.
You can move. You can move.
You can move.
You can move.
We're
can
going
move.
hiking.
We're going hiking. Yay, let's go. Let's go hiking. Look at the route we're taking. There's roots on the floor. Wave.
Forest, Shia LaBeouf.
Love. Yep. Every step. Every little step we take, you will be there.
This is like
Every
my
little
little
step.
running man.
We will be together. Well done. Well done, you. That was Melissa. She was brave and went through the cave. I wasn't brave enough. I'm videoing.
Beautiful.
Look at this view. We were somewhere around over there. I don't know if you can see. And then we just
The
trekked.
trees kind of look like glass.
Yeah. And I'm sweaty because I did some trail running. And hopefully somebody should be coming down. Yes, somebody should be coming down now.
Melissa!
Do 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 do. We're doing video. We did a nice trail. I'm gonna zoom in, zooming in. Unfortunately, there's no real water there. This is gonna go to YouTube, you know.
Just totally wasted the last of my water. I'm just like, now I'm getting parched. Did you guys see the loon?
Let's video the rest of it.
Oh, was there a loon?
There's a loon.
No.
Was it
If I
loon?
can see it out here.
Yeah, there's also a loon show.
Do you see it
I
there?
see it! It just
Where?
went
Went
underwater.
under. Yeah,
Oh.
you saw it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. They actually go down for quite a while.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm zooming in.
But you see where
Yeah, I saw where the water was.
it may not come up there. We have to sort of watch.
We're in Gatineau.
They can take
We
a long time.
saw-
They do hold their breath for a while.
Somebody saw a
I
loon.
was swimming Now,
And come up.
I was swimming for 3.5 hours.
Oh.
3.5 hours.
A lot.
Love.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. Oh gosh. Yeah, I haven't seen it.
Okay, bye then, Loon. We tried. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, there it is. It's over on the right. Quick, zoom in. Oh, just went under. and I didn't zoom in quick enough.
We'll do it. We'll do it.
Yeah, we will do it.
You don't like catfish? Yes, you do. You know where I'm thinking of getting food. Remember that place on the corner that we went with your dad? And you had the chicken and vegetables?
Oh, yeah?
Yes. That's where I'm gonna get them to deliver. Okay? Oh, look at that dragonfly.
Here.
Okay. Like, coming from nature.
Okay, Mr. Loon. I can't see you anymore, so say goodbye. Bye. Onward. Trail running.
Like the secret of Mr. Loon.
Like, hold my breath until they go away. He's like, that's my trick.
Go away.
We had a nice little trail run.
Oh, good.
That's quite cool. We ran up the hill a bit, and then we ran all the way to the little mountain climbing bit.
Good for you.
Film that.
Yeah.
Pretty full.
Somebody barbecued.
Baba.
And all the smoke is like
Or maybe it's like a fire.
coming across.
I think it's
Look how
barbecue.
beautiful it is.
It's so beautiful.
And it's like, welcome to the dark forest.
Yeah.
Here we have trees
And
water
and
and more trees
uh-huh.
and some dirt
Uh-huh.
and then the circle of a bottle cap
Ooh, I saw that.
and then some
Litterers.
rocks and a blue sign.
Oh no, you know what though?
What?
You see that clearing up ahead?
Yeah, it's all smoky.
I know, I think that's the beach. I think we may have survived.
Yay!
I think we may have made it.
We made it! We made
We
it!
made it.
So glad we made it.
Our survivors.
See? This is like, as we move towards this, I'm like,
Survivors. Melissa,
Out.
Evelyn, and Danae.
We survived our day in Gatineau.
The forest. I want the world to know. I was just
Oh,
like,
the forest. Gotta let it show.
We never sing the same song.
Okay, let's all do it. 1, 2, 3. I'm a survivor.
Oh,
Oh.
we're all singing different songs.
1, 2,
I'm
3.
going.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I don't even know the words anymore. Oh, why not? This is all good footage. This is all good footage of you trying to sing.
Leaving Gatineau Park.
Shallabah,
Had a good day.
shallabah,
I went spelunking.
shallabah.
I'm Natalie Badawa.
Shia LaBeouf. Okay, there's Evelyn driving. There's baby girl in the back with her blueberries. There's a red truck in front of us, and we're leaving. Oh my goodness!
We had such a fun day, didn't we?
It was a good day.
And she even got me in the water.
Oh my goodness! In the water
You
we got
realize
her.
that your hand is going to be in front.
Oh, and there's like, ooh, let me hold that. Let me hold it. I'm just like, ooh.
I don't do those kinds of videos. Thank you very much.
She refused to bring her swimming costume.
Correct.
I was like a swimming costume. I asked her to bring her swimsuit and she wouldn't.
So yes, she's wearing her swimming costume, not bathing suit, as I would call it.
It's my bathing suit.
Because I didn't bring mine, and she let me have her top. And we went in the water. It was lovely. It was
So nice.
Yeah.
And you took some amazing pictures though. You did also take some
Yeah.
amazing pictures of that.
Cool.
And you, what were you doing in the water?
I was
Danae?
doing gymnastics. It was really fun. I say I got
I don't know what's going on.
out of 10.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I think you
on
totally
my
did.
gymnastics.
I do
On
believe
your
you did.
handstands.
Your handstands were amazing.
Mm-hmm.
a little fish is trying to attack me.
Yes. But I convinced her they were trying to give her a pedicure, so it was all good.
Yeah.
There was some controversy. A teenager seemed to have dumped his parents, and we were just amazed that his parents were so calm
Stress-free.
and
totally.
stress-free. First when he was visiting, and then when he came back, because I was just like, trip done. Everybody in the car. We're going home. Though they did get into their canoe. It was everybody in the boat. But you're right. Everyone in the boat, and off they went. So
When she came back, she wasn't stressed or upset or anything.
he
like,
must have done this before.
Yeah.
Is my thing. I think he must have done this before because, you know what I mean? Because, like, you know what I mean? Like if my kid just disappeared in a national park.
Yeah.
Like even if he, you know, it was like I would just be like, shut the place down, right?
I
Like,
didn't call anybody. I overheard when she was going, I have a phone. Yeah, you know, the group of youngsters who came.
Yeah.
Like, I have a phone. I don't know if it has reception, but you can use it.
right?
And yeah, it's like they didn't even try it.
No.
Anybody or.
You know why? It's because he's done it before. He's like, I'll make my own way out. I was like, what? I was like, who are you talking to? I just want to zoom in. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. This has been on her mirror for days. Like, I was
zoom
like,
at the front.
okay, like did you see it? Did you see it?
It's been days.
It's today, but you know,
Today.
like
I'm hoping it rains later.
and she's hoping it rains. She doesn't want to use her windshield wipers simply.
Splat it. It'd be even worse. Wouldn't it? Come on.
Then you could take a paper towel. That's
Then I'll
hard.
have to touch
Oh, I missed it.
Take like a paper towel.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.